If you're like me, for most of your life, you've probably been using tester pots all wrong. Grab a roll of lining wallpaper for a few quid and cut it up into generous sized bits. Open your tester pots and give them a stir. Give a generous coat of paint to the paper and leave to dry. Oh, and don't forget to write the name of the colour on the back, especially if you're working with a large selection. Now all your colours are mobile and can be moved from room to room and seen in different lights without any nasty wall patches to cover. Use a low-tack masking tape if you want to hang them on the walls. We only recommend Tesa's range of tapes. Their professional precision sensitive masking tape is ideal for this. Now all you have to do is decide, is it going to be kitten whiskers or elephant's breath? Dilemma. Hop over to woodfinishesdirect.com to browse our paint and colour range. We've got something for everyone.